of going to. Hey y'all, hey, so I ordered some more Temu furniture, and here it is right here. I have two huge boxes, y'all, 40 pounds each, and they are some Temu wardrobes. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the unboxing process, give you guys my honest opinion on them. Now let me tell y'all, I ordered them. They didn't say nothing about being kids wardrobes, but child, on the box it says kids wardrobe, so very interested to see what that is like. And also I'm going to be comparing prices between Temu wardrobes, Amazon wardrobes, and I think I saw some on like IKEA or Wayfair or something like that as well. So we're going to be doing all of that in this video. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Oh my god, there are the children hangers that they were talking about. Oh my goodness, that is so funny, y'all. So they did come with some baby hangers. So yeah, very interested to see what it's gonna look like. Y'all, okay, so everything is out the box, and these are all the pieces. As you can see, it features a glass light style door. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how easy is this assembly process. So far, it was pretty easy to assemble. What would you say?
I would say it's pretty easy also.
We are moving right along so far. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's really cute. It also features wheels at the bottom. Love that. Pretty deep on the inside. So interested to see, it's supposed to be a 3-drawer with also a hanging section. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Y'all, so they say if you need more storage, just, maybe you have a smaller closet, a smaller space, maybe you don't have a walk-in closet, definitely probably check this out. I cannot wait. I'm so excited to see what it's going to look like once it's all together. And so far, so good. I'm really excited to see what the finished product is going to look like.
They're gonna do all three at the bottom because it's taller for us to reach in.
Okay. It's gonna be pretty tall. What you think, babe?
It's gonna be really tall.
Love that. We love that. It is giving very much elegant though. So far, it's really nice. I love the handles.
This is the bottom piece.
And just for reference on how tall this is, how tall are you, babe?
I'm 5'10".
So yeah, guys, it's pretty tall. We love that, and we are almost finished actually with the, I guess, the assembly of it all. But as you can see, the unboxing was pretty cool, and it is really easy to assemble as well. See? You guys, look at these freaking wardrobes. They are gorgeous. I'm gonna bring one a little bit closer. Y'all, these are so amazing. And look at how easy they are to move around. Look at these, like they are amazing. So let me show you the inside, y'all. These are amazing. I will be sure to leave the link for these Temu wardrobes down in the description. Run and get them if you have a small space, if you need more closet space, if you need more storage and you're trying to be a little fancy. Go pick these up, y'all. They are no longer the price that I paid, but they're still a really, really good deal. So I will be sure to leave that link. And also, like I said, I'm gonna show you guys really quick some of the ones that I saw on Amazon. And as you can see, the prices were not the same, okay? They were a little bit more expensive compared to what I paid. So run and get these on over to Temu, but let's get into it. So look at how nice this is. Now, when I read the reviews on Temu, they said that it was for kids clothing, but as you can see, this is a regular size shirt, and you can fit it in the wardrobe, you can fit it in the wardrobe, honey, just fine. Now, I will say you don't have enough space, like really down at the bottom, but I mean, that's fine. We're gonna steam our clothes anyway when we take them out, but you can definitely probably fit a nice amount of pieces in here. So yeah, I love that. And then let's close that up. It's so cutesy. And then you can also store things on the top, and as you can see, it is a very nice height. I'm like 5'6.5", and this is probably like almost 6 feet tall. Well, probably a little bit over 6 feet tall. And then as you guys can see, it has compartments on it as well. I love this. You can fit you nice size bins in here, and then it's like, I guess, a little bit of a ledge right here, so you don't have to worry about the bins sliding out. We love that, love that. And yeah, y'all, it comes with three of these here compartments. But yes, y'all, I absolutely love these wardrobes from Temu. I'm telling you, if you need extra space in your home, even if it's not in your closet, maybe you want an extra coat closet or something like that in your living room, you can obviously still put it in your kids' room, or, you know, any place like that where you want to kind of elevate the space, but also you need it for storage. So yeah, y'all, that is going to be the end of this Temu furniture review. Definitely, I will be ordering more things from Temu. Y'all know I love Temu, and we will be ordering from them again because y'all see those? They are amazing. So let me know what y'all think about them down in the comments.